plan, plan, plan. You gotta plan. Don't Q4, I know you've been talking about, in all your podcasts, Norm, you've been talking about planning, planning, planning. You really need to plan. If you don't plan, you're going to pay a lot of money. In hair shipment, you're going to pay a lot of money. In high speed, you're going to lose a lot of sales if you don't plan ahead of time. So planning is number one. Plan how many quantity you're ordering. Plan how many is going to 3PL, how many is going to, by hair or to by FBA. Plan, plan, plan everything is the first one. And the second one is, Norm said it, you can use your supplier's warehouse first. That's your first 3PL. And it's free. Talk to your supplier, see how they can, store some goods for you. The second one is you can use China 3PLs as well. So we partnered with some very organized Chinese warehouses. They can store stuff for you. If your supplier says no, you can reach out and, can help you out to get your stuff in China. Then set up your FBM listing. If you don't have an FBM listing, Q4, you must have an FBM listing. You must. So that because of the restrictions, once Amazon's inventory runs out, then the FBM kicks in to help you out. And then the fourth one is always have enough stock. Whoever has inventory rules is the last man standing.
That's it. And the last person standing.
Yes.